Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest brand video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because it could not connect to the server on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's start here without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen, and then actually there are 5 methods to solve this problem. So hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. So let's start now. For first method, just open up settings app on your device here, and then check the mobile data connection whether you have the toggle turn on for this, because in some cases this may be the issue. And then go back, and if you are using the Wi-Fi connection, then tap here on Wi-Fi and then check whether you have turned the toggle on and you have the strong Wi-Fi connection, or try another different Wi-Fi connection, disable this one and try another one. So go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not, and if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again open up settings app on your device here, and then scroll it down and find here Safari and tap it, and then again scroll it down all the way and tap here on advanced, and now tap here on website data, and from here remove all website data. So tap it, and now again tap on remove now, and after that go back and then scroll it on and tap here on clear history and website data, and now again tap on clear history and data. So after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, just open up settings app on your device, and then again find the Safari and tap here, and then scroll it on, and here is the block all cookies. So turn the toggle on for this. Again tap here on block all and check whether the problem has been fixed. If not, go for the fourth method. For that, again open up settings app on your device, scroll it on, find and tap on general here, again scroll it on and tap here on reset, and from here reset network settings. So tap it, enter your passcode here, and again tap here on reset network setting to confirm the process, and all of your network settings will be reset here. So hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that, what you have to do is just reboot your device by pressing the combination of the keys just according to your device. So hopefully your problem will be solved. So if the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.